All right, let's do some politics now. The Orange Democratic Movement, that's ODM party, has finally expelled 5 of its members of parliament accused of associating with the Kenya Kwanza government. Now, the 5, Elisha Odhiambo, Felix Oduor, Elias Jalango, Gideon Ochanda, Tom Ojienda, and Karoli Omondi will no longer be members of the party after a National Executive Council resolution to strike off their names from the party register. Nairobi Women Representative Esther Passaris was asked to apologize and fine 250,000 shillings for supporting the finance bill, while members of parliament Mark Nyamita, that's exactly from my constituency down in the village, and Paula Boer were fined 1 million shillings each and asked to apologize for supporting the Kenya Kwanza government. Chris Tairu reports.
After a series of meetings, including the disciplinary committee over the conduct of a section of ODM legislators accused of associating themselves with the Kenya Kwanza administration, the party's National Executive Committee, which is the highest organ in hierarchy and chaired by party leader Raila Odinga, finally had a resolution.
And the party is hereby directed to commence the process of removing them from the register of the party.
The 5 legislators who were expelled from the party include Game MP Elisha Odhiambo, Langata MP Felix Oduor, popularly known as Jalango, Bondo MP Gideon Ochanda, Suba South MP Karoli Omondi, and Kisumu Senator Tom Ojienda. The next step is for the party to write to the Register of Political Parties informing her of the resolution.
Be deemed to have resigned from the party, that is ODM.
The 5 legislators who also snubbed invites by the party's disciplinary committee were accused of dining with the enemy, that is the Kenya Kwanza administration, and even invited to State House on several occasions a few months after President William Ruto was declared as the president. According to the party, they did so against the wishes and aspirations of the party and party leader Raila Odinga, who still disputes William Ruto's presidential win.
Apology about it. I went there for development. You don't apologize when you've gone and you've been called.
But if you want to go and talk about issues that affect the party, then you must be given permission by the party before you go to see the president. What you see, these people must be seen for what they are. Traitors.
It was a sigh of relief for Nairobi Women Rep Esther Passaris, who was fined 250,000 shillings for supporting the finance bill. She's also expected to write an apology. Uriri MP Mark Nyamita and his Rongo counterpart Paul Abur, who also faced similar accusations, were on the other hand reprimanded and directed to issue a written apology to the party within 7 days. They are also expected to pay 1 million shillings fine each within 60 days. Despite the expulsion from the party, it still remains a tall order removing the legislators from their elective seats given the legal options available. Back in 2018, the then Malindi MP Aisha Jumwa, who is now Gender CS, was among the names that the party had decided to drop. The party's plan was unsuccessful over omissions of key statutory steps. Her expulsion was nullified by the political party's disputes tribunal as the disciplinary committee was not properly constituted then. The expelled members have a right to file an appeal to the party's National Governing Council contesting their expulsion from the Orange Party within the next 7 days.
Thank you.
Chris Tairu, KTN News, Nairobi.
Cooking with water-fueled stove. A representative from Clean Energy Farm, Kinetic 7,